What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. A nice, friendly, easy peasy for those individuals, instructors that's come into your class for the very first time. You can easily just call it out without stopping. You don't have to stop to teach. It's a one wall dance. 32 count, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. I want to give a shout out, hello to everyone that always leave me a comment. I appreciate you taking your time to just show some love. Thank you so very kindly. I appreciate you. Also, if you are supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026, y'all know, guys, y'all came and showed up and showed out. Thank you so very kindly for your support. We sold out in one day, like in 14 hours, like 12, 13, 14 hours, we sold out. So we are looking forward to hosting you in 2026. Thank you so very kindly. As a friendly reminder, this is a step-by-step instruction. You want to dance together? You got to watch till the end, okay? And I'll see you on the dance floor. So let's go. So this is a one wall dance. I'm going to turn my back to you because there's no turning. You don't have to make any half turns or anything. So you can always see my footwork. So it's going to start with out, in, lift, and up together. Out, in, up together. We're going to do 4 of those. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, let me see. So you can see it from the side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So you're doing the right side, the left side, the right side, the left side. The next step is 8 sailor steps, okay? Real nice. So for your beginners instructors, come in the door, they can easily pick that up. Just call it out, they'll pick it up. And they're learning the steps. We're going to do 8 sailor steps. 5, 6, 7, and. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. 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 Easy enough, right? Okay, so let's put it together. 5, 6, you know what? This is not a third that you count. I think it's more like I haven't counted, but it's not a third that you count. Here we go. 5, from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? So we're going to start moving around. So far we just stayed in place. So we're going to do a cha-cha up, and then we're going to do a ballroom turn. 5, 6, 7, and. Right, left, right, up, left, right, back, left, right, left, right, left. Turn, right, left, right, left, right. Step, left, right, left, right, left. Again, cha-cha up. So the footwork is the same. The second time, you're just making a half turn, but you don't change the footwork. Go up on the right, then you got to step on the left. 5, 6, 7, and. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Turn right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So let's put that together from the top. 5, 6, 7, take it out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now, we're going to do one more. One more thing. We're going to do a Lindy to the right. 2 times. So you shuffle to the right. It's right, left, right, rock, back, recover. Left, rock, back, recover. Right, rock, back, recover. Left, step, back, recover. Okay? I want you to go to the other side because you're getting ready to start over. All right? So, a Lindy. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And start the dance again. All right? So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7. Take it out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Say 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Turn 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Lindy. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right? That is the dance. That is Look at God. Let's do it one more time. And to wrap it up. 5, 6, 7. Take it out. 1 and 2 out. 3 and 4 and 5 up. 6 out. 7 and 8. Sail 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 4 more. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Ballroom turn. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Lindy. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the dance. I think there's 7 counts of 8. So there's no tags, there's no restart, there's no bridge in this dance. Once you did do the whole combination, you start over again. It's a one-wall dance. That is Look at God. I hope you look at the demo. Let's dance together. Also, leave me a comment. I appreciate you. And give me a like if you haven't done so. Please subscribe and share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.